Have you ever noticed that some people still look surprisingly young in their 50s while others start showing signs of aging as early as their 30s? Most people think it is all about the genetics, but that is only the part of the story. The truth is, there are three important components inside your skin that largely determine whether your skin looks firm, smooth, and youthful, or gradually becomes loose and wrinkled over time. These three components are collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. Today we will explore what they are, what they do, and most importantly, what happens to them as we age. Let's start with the collagen first. You can think of collagen as the steel framework of your skin. It is a protein that gives your skin structure and strength. When your skin contains plenty of collagen, it looks firm, tight, and healthy. But here's something very interesting. After about the age of 25, your body gradually starts producing less collagen, and with each passing year, collagen production continues to decline. Now, think about this. If the support pillars of a building slowly become weaker over time, what happens to the building? The same thing happens to your skin too. Gradually loses the firmness and wrinkles begin to appear. But collagen is not the only pillar involved here. The second important component is elastin. Think about a rubber band for a sec. You stretch it, and when you let it go, it returns to its original shape. That's very similar to what elastin does in your skin. Every time you smile, talk, and make facial expression, your skin stretches. Elastin helps that stretched skin bounce back into the place. When elastin is healthy, your skin feels resilient, flexible, and youthful. Unfortunately, factors such as aging, UV exposure, and smoking can damage elastin fibers. The result is that your skin gradually becomes looser and start to sag. Now let's talk about the third component, which is often overlooked: hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is naturally occurring substance that helps your skin hold onto the water. In simple terms, it is your skin's moisture reservoir. A single molecule of hyaluronic acid can hold many times its own weight in the water. That is one reason why young skin naturally looks plump, hydrated, and smooth. The problem is that hyaluronic acid levels also decline as we get older. When that happens, the skin also starts to look dry, dull, and thinner. Now here's an important question. What is the real cause of aging? Are they wrinkles? Not exactly. Wrinkles are just a symptom. The real changes are happening beneath the surface. Collagen levels are declining, elastin fibers are become damaged, hyaluronic acid is decreasing, and when these three pillars become weaker, the visible signs of aging begin to appear. That is why simply applying creams on the surface is not always enough. You also need to address the factors that are damaging these three important components. Things like excessive sun exposure, smoking, poor sleep, a high sugar diet, and chronic stress. Science shows that daily sunscreen use, adequate protein intake, quality sleep, and a healthy lifestyle can all play an important role in helping preserve these essential components of your skin. So the next time you notice wrinkles or loose skin in the mirror, don't just focus on what you see on the surface. Remember that the secret to youthful looking lies deeper within. It depends on three powerful building blocks: collagen for strength, elastin for the flexibility, hyaluronic acid for the hydration, and when these three remain healthy and balanced, your skin naturally appears firmer,